Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of DCU Visa Platinum Secured Credit Card. If you're looking to build or rebuild your credits, or if you're tired of expensive credit cards loaded with fees, then this video is definitely for you. I'm going to walk you through everything, from what this card is, how it works, its main features, its fees and rates, also the good, the bad, and ultimately whether it's worth your time. So let's get started. Unlike most credit cards you've probably seen, this is a secured credit card, and that makes it instantly interesting. A secured card works by you providing a security deposit, which then becomes your credit line. It's like saying to a lender, here's collateral in case I don't pay. And in return, you get a credit card that reports to the credit bureaus. This makes secured cards one of the best tools available for people who want to build or rebuild their credit history responsibly. But this isn't just any secured card. What makes the DCU version stand out is it comes from Digital Federal Credit Union, a reputable not-for-profit credit union, meaning they often care about members, not just profits. It advertises no sneaky fees like annual fees, foreign transaction fees, balance transfer fees, or cash advance fees. That's rare for any card, especially secured ones. It even offers Visa card benefits, fraud protection tools, and tap-to-pay capability, features that you won't always find on basic secured cards. So in short, it's a card designed to help you regain financial footing without being gouged by hidden expenses, and that alone makes it worth exploring in depth. Now let us talk about the main features of this card. Credit building potential. This secured card reports your payment activities to the major credit bureaus, which is the real purpose of a secured card. Pay your dues on time, and that positive payment history can help raise your credit score over time. Low fees. This is probably the biggest highlight. The card has no annual fee, no foreign transaction fee, no balance transfer fee, or a cash advance fee. Next, we talk about the APR. The APR is lower than average. This card currently offers a variable APR that can start as low as 12% APR, which is significantly lower than the average credit card rates that you will see from most unsecured cards. Also, there are digital tools. It includes things like fraud alerts, ability to freeze or unfreeze your card if it's lost, and mobile wallet compatibility. For example, compatibility with Apple Pay, Google Pay, Samsung Pay, and lots more. Then there's the Visa benefits. Because it's a Visa card, you get access to benefits Visa normally provides, like travel protections, purchase security, and more. Security deposit requirements. It's required that you provide a security deposit, which is usually starting around $500, and that deposit becomes your credit limit. That's the typical structure of a secured card, but some competitors require less. Now let us talk about the pricing. I had earlier mentioned this, but let me do that again. Currently, the DCU Visa Platinum credit card has no fee, no annual fee, no balance transfer fee, no foreign transaction fee, and no cash advance fee. Now, what are the pros and cons of using these cards? First, the pros. No annual fee, as earlier mentioned, and almost zero fees overall. It helps to build or rebuild credits. It has a low APR compared to most secured and unsecured cards. And it also reports to all three major credit bureaus. There are also Visa benefits that are applied. How about the cons? You need a hefty security deposit, which is around $500. And it's also believed that a membership is required. You have to join the Digital Federal Credit Union. And on this card, you will not earn any cashback or points, so no rewards program. So definitely, it's not perfect, but again, it's about balancing its purpose and what it offers. So here's the bottom line. Is the DCU Visa Platinum credit card really worth it? If your main goal is to improve your credit score and build a positive payment history, then the DCU Visa Platinum secured credit card does exactly what it's supposed to do, which is to help you build or rebuild your credit history. And it does it without stressing you with fees. That alone makes it a very strong contender in the world of secured cards. So in a fair and balanced view, if you're serious about fixing your credit or you've been denied unsecured cards before, then this card deserves strong consideration. Well, it's not perfect for every situation, but for its niche, it's one of the better options. And that's why I would recommend it for the right audience. And that's it on the review of the DCU Visa Platinum credit card. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Capital One Platinum Secured Credit Card, Discover It Secured Credit Card, and Open Sky Secured Visa Credit Card. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.